Hi! Today we're going to do a Beyblade battle
inside the Hypersphere Beystadium.
And it's going to be Wizard Fafnir versus how many Pegasus?
Yep, let's start the battles. 3, 2, 1, ladder. See, they're both are stamina types, so it's not going to be so crazy. So, how many Pegasus got a burst finish? Okay. That was interesting. Okay. 3, 2, 1, ladder. Let's see. So they're
was attacking.
Yeah, I saw that. Let's see. I think Pegasus might. And I think
Fafnir won.
Yeah, the survivor. 3, 2, 1, ladder. Burst finish. Looks like it's gonna burst probably if we see. So like, let's do this and then. Yep, it was gonna burst. But how many Pegasus got a burst finish and didn't burst? 3, 2, 1, ladder. They're attacking each other. We might get a burst.
I was looking at Fafnir was close to bursting. Yeah, it was close.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think Pegasus was also. 3, 2, 1, ladder. We didn't get a burst last battle. We got a survivor for Fafnir. Let's see who will win this round. They're having clashes. It's going to be a stamina battle, it looks like. Yeah, that driver is good at like stamina, lasting to the end.
But it's close to bursting.
Yeah, so it burst pretty easily. 3, 2, 1. They had like a clash here. That was epic.
Yeah.
How many Pegasus came in and they were both because they had different spin directions. They will clash.
Yeah.
Just like that. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, ladder. It's bursting. Yep. How many Pegasus bursted? Fafnir. So that's why how many Pegasus got the win this time.
3,
2, 1, ladder. Yep. And your driver's spinning.
Time to revenge.
Yeah.
The driver's
spinning. It's spin stealing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how many Pegasus won with a burst finish?
Yeah.
That was cool. The driver was spinning just by itself.
Just to revenge it.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let it. Got a burst finish again. And the driver's spinning. Okay, now it stopped. Yeah, the driver's pretty lightweight compared to the Bay. How many Pegasus? That's how it got knocked out. 3, 2, 1. How many Pegasus bursted after?
It's energy hitting how many Pegasus bursted.
Yeah, and then it bursted. Like sometimes when a burst happens, then the other bay bursts the other bay with the butts.
Yeah.
But actually, how many Pegasus won because with burst finish?
Yeah.
Because it bursted after. 3, 2, 1, ladder. How many Pegasus got slowed down?
Yeah.
But it got a burst finish. Now, how about for some fun, let's do some slow launches.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, ladder. Now I might get some slow-mo bursts. Let's see.
It's mostly draws.
Yeah, but sometimes Fafnir wins. No, it was a draw this time, though. Yep. We're gonna burst maybe if it's a little bit longer for the battle. 3, 2, 1, let it. That's so slow. I have a feeling like Harmony Pegasus might burst. It's like the more slower the bay is, the more for different spin directions, the more easily you can burst the other bay.
So I think so we should now do some hand launches as well.
Yeah, how about let's do some hand launches. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. If we want to check out some other more hand launches, then
Check out our other video of Fafnir spin stealing against Sword Velcro Case Dragon and Harmony Pegasus.
yeah. Let's do another round, then we'll just launch normally.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Getting slowed down, but now it might burst it. Yeah, it's like when it's slow, then it'll burst the bay more easily. Let's see who wins. Stamina.
Fafnir won.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Let's change up to a fast launch.
Yeah, back to normal now. 3, 2,
2,
1,
1,
let
let
it. Staying pretty calm, but they're vibrating quite a lot. They look pretty unbalanced in the start. Now let's see. Looks like a stamina battle now. Let's see, 3.
I think so Fafnir just won.
The driver, like, it stays tall for lots of time.
Yeah,
that's
it
right.
like touches this thing on bottom, what
Yeah.
makes it make its stamina
Yeah.
go higher.
Like this driver, it gets down. Like how many Pegasus this
So
driver?
maybe the rating was wrong for Harmony Pegasus.
No, I think it's like against right spins, and then yeah, for that,
Yeah.
like it's good against right spins, but if it's a left spin like Fafnir, it will. Oh, and I think Fafnir won.
Yeah. Because the driver.
3, 2, 1, let it. Uh-oh. 3, 2, 1, let it. You might get a burst, or maybe not. But oh, actually we got a burst finish. So how many Pegasus got a burst finish this round? How many Pegasus has been winning with bursts?
3, 2, 1, let
I think we might get a burst this round after those clashes. Let's. In fact, how many Pegasus got a burst finish? I was wrong. I was thinking it would have been a stamina for one of them, or a draw in stamina. 3, 2, 1, let it. So let's see, one more stamina, or maybe we'll get a burst like last round. Let's see. No. It's a draw.
Yeah.
3,
2,
1, let it. There was a quick clash, like immediately, like they just hit each other. It was unpredictable. That was surprising. And it won inside stamina.
this is not a proper spin stealer because it doesn't have rubber.
Yeah, I guess. That's what Hasbro removed. And it burst. Yeah, like the spade, if you even get it new wears, it still bursts pretty easily compared to other bays. Like if you fast launch it against left spins, it's not as good.
Yeah, because it's circular.
Yeah, I think that's the reason maybe that it bursts.
3, 2, 1, louder.
How many Pegasus is heavier? Yeah, that's why it has the advantage in this. And how many Pegasus got a burst finish? 3, 2, 1, ladder. Oh man. I think it used these walls to like climb up and then it went on top. It was like a smash down or something from above.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, ladder. Pretty calm, not so much aggressive this round.
Oh! Fafnir's first burst.
Yep.
It must be close to bursting.
Yeah,
it was.
It's somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
That was like unexpected. I was expecting Fafnir to burst though. Okay.
Yeah. But I guess
3.
this had the more power.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let it. Yeah. Like when it gets pretty shaky and you can see how it's pretty shaky and unbalanced, then you can tell like it's bursting.
And how many Pegasus still wins even though it gets the slopes and gets more speed and
Yeah.
it still sometimes bursts.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, ladder. 7. They're hitting each other. I think we might get a burst. Yep. And then I'm gonna spin steal and equalize. 3, let's see. Oh, I think Fafnir just won there.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
See you in our next video.